you can learn and earn from this InfoTrim mobile app. Simply visit infotrim.com and use Creative Commons videos there, in return for credit, in your video description, which is found at the end of each web page. One can make money from it by uploading those Creative Commons videos to video hosting platforms like youtube.com, rumble.com, dailymotion.com, facebook.com, tiktok.com, instagram.com, etc. As a video content creator, you know how hard it is to create video content. But what if you will get it for free, in a ready-made form, where you can add your own royalty-free background music, from open source, and make money from those videos. For newbies, just learn to make money from the Earn menu, at infotrim.com, where there are 2 posts on 1. What are Creative Commons videos? 2. How to earn money from YouTube? First, learn to read or watch those content, to learn about them, and then start using infotrim.com's Creative Commons videos forever. And our service will always be in continuing mode. Be trustful to us, because you are in good company. Hence, install our InfoTrim mobile app, to stay updated about our new published post, with Creative Commons videos. Please use it as fast as possible, for faster indexing and ranking, on YouTube and Google search engine result page.